How to check a schedule in Transit app. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can check a schedule in Transit app. So with Transit, you can easily check the full schedule of any transit line at any stop, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Transit application, and then you'll be brought to your home screen or to your main screen. Now, I must let you know that I am currently in an old supported region for Transit. So some features will not be available to me. Okay, but for you, once you're on the main screen, you would see the line. You'll see some lines. Okay, the next thing, you have some transit lines to be precise. So the next thing is for you to select the line for which you want to know the schedule. Just select the line on the screen or on the map being displayed, and then after selecting the line, you can now use the search bar. You can also use the search bar to look up a line, then swap to the left or the right to change the direction, and then tap the stop you are interested in to view the schedule. Then after tapping on it, you will see a list of options. Amongst these options, tap on more departures. All right, below the list of the next three departures to see schedules for the coming days. Then real time arrivals would display by default in the schedule screen. All right, real time arrivals are usually indicated by two pulsating waves, while scheduled times are faded or grayed out. Okay, so to compare the real time and the scheduled arrivals, long press the button in the bottom right corner, and then you'll be able to identify the real time arrivals and the scheduled arrivals. So just select scheduled arrival you want to see and then check it out. So that is how it works. Okay, this is how you can check a schedule in transit app. Just ensure you know how to make use of the transit lines well and you understand them properly. Thanks for watching and have a good day.